we need to keep u first and differentiate v, okay? So this is u, we keep it, e exponent 5x. Then we differentiate this, that's v, and that will give us, if we differentiate one, it's off. We differentiate this, it becomes 3, so we have 3 here, plus, since we are using product rule, you have to know that we are going to apply plus, okay? Then the next thing we are going to do is to keep v. We keep v and differentiate u. So keeping v, we have bracket 3x plus 1, bracket close, and we now differentiate u. And differentiating u simply means bringing 5 down and then maintaining it as it were before. So that is it. Okay, let me put my camera so that the end will be exposed. All right, so that's what it means. Okay, so if we have that, our collection becomes the y, the x is equal to e 5 exponent 5, okay, dot 3 plus, we bring that 5, okay, and then we have exponent 5x brackets x 3x plus 1 bracket close. So with this, it's clear. Now we are going to rearrange what we've done to look nice, and we can do that quickly down here or somewhere here. So let's look at this. dy